this is Chris of Creations by Chris, and you know I've been making masks. Well, some friends wanted me to make a special mask. Ta-da! The drinking mask. Now let me show you how it works. First, you open up your flap. You pick up your drink with your straw. And there you go. That's good. Now the straws that work best are the vending straws and of course the cocktail straws. If you want this mask, you can contact me on Instagram or on my Facebook page. And this has been Chris of Creations by Chris. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe.